The true spirit of the compact living revolution finds its most potent expression in homes that achieve an undeniable level of aesthetic and functional refinement, often encapsulated by the idea of simplicity perfected. These highly considered dwellings offer a compelling counter-argument to the common misconception that choosing a reduced physical size must result in a life defined by hardship or significant sacrifices. Rather, these tiny havens actively promote a purpose-driven way of life, where the purposeful shedding of superfluous belongings actually unlocks a greater depth of sophisticated design and fosters a deeply satisfying state of psychological harmony. Far beyond being merely smaller houses, these are highly personalized retreats that exemplify the foundational principles of contemporary minimalism, empowering their residents to allocate their valuable energy and financial resources toward enriching personal experiences and cultivating meaningful relationships, instead of being perpetually consumed by the financial overhead and upkeep demanded by traditional, large-scale real estate. The design brilliance that leads to this state of perfected simplicity is fundamentally rooted in a skillful command over spatial geometry and natural illumination. These structures consistently feature an interior dominated by pristine white or extremely light neutral tones, which operates as a reflective medium to dramatically enhance incoming daylight and create a deceptive impression of expansive, unconfined space. This feeling of airiness is deliberately augmented by the inclusion of oversized glass panes, strategically placed apertures in the roofline, and an open concept flow that effortlessly connects disparate functional zones. The intense focus on meticulous interior architecture dictates that nearly all furnishings are either transformable, multi-purpose units, or are bespoke components that integrate flawlessly into the structure, effectively banishing visual clutter and preserving the pristine, streamlined quality of the environment. The culmination of this effort is a living space where unbroken sightlines and an innate sense of order prevail, directly translating into a calming and highly conducive setting for mental focus and relaxation. The most transformative advantage provided by these well-executed tiny homes is the profound, positive restructuring of the owner's life trajectory. Occupants widely report an enormous boost to their economic freedom, achieved by having either significantly reduced or completely eradicated burdensome long-term mortgage commitments and having effectively escaped the relentless, resource-intensive demands of maintaining a voluminous property. This dramatic, sustained decrease in fixed monthly expenses subsequently liberates significant amounts of both irreplaceable time and disposable income. These newly freed resources can then be channeled with intention into personal development, creative pursuits, and the acquisition of diverse life adventures, shifting the value proposition away from accumulating objects. The unavoidable practice of adopting strict minimalism, the necessity of retaining only those possessions that are truly valuable or necessary naturally fosters a deep-seated feeling of domestic peace and self-control. Ultimately, the end state is a life calibrated for deep meaning, where genuine, pure comfort is realized not through grand-scale or ostentatious displays, but through the inherent brilliance, sustainability, and elegant simplicity of a perfectly calibrated living environment that fundamentally reshapes the contemporary standard of well-being. The most vivid manifestation of the minimalist housing phenomenon is found in residences that achieve a paramount level of both refined beauty and peak utility, an ideal aptly summarized by the pursuit of simplicity perfected. These meticulously crafted shelters serve as a powerful contradiction to the widespread mistaken belief that embracing a smaller living area automatically condemns one to a Spartan, deprived existence. Instead, these intimate retreats actively empower a more deliberate and intentional mode of living, demonstrating how the conscious rejection of non-essential possessions actually unlocks a heightened appreciation for sophisticated aesthetics and cultivates a deep, sustainable state of psychological and domestic tranquility. Much more than just undersized houses, these are custom-designed sanctuaries that perfectly embody the essential tenets of modern design, freeing inhabitants to dedicate their precious time and financial capital to fostering meaningful interpersonal connections, and pursuing personal growth rather than being perpetually constrained by the costly overhead and endless maintenance cycle typical of oversized, conventional homes. The core engineering that underpins this coveted state of perfected simplicity is anchored in an expert command over visual geometry and ambient light management. The interiors of these homes are almost universally characterized by immaculate white or exceptionally pale neutral palettes, which are strategically employed as highly reflective surfaces. This technique dramatically maximizes the penetration of natural light, giving the illusion of a far more expansive and open volume than the true square footage suggests. This inherent brightness is further enhanced by integrating floor-to-ceiling windows, innovative skylights or roof apertures, and a completely open floor plan that effortlessly merges various domestic functions into a single, cohesive space. The profound commitment to precise interior architecture means that all fittings and fixtures are either cleverly convertible and multifunctional or are custom pieces designed to be seamlessly integrated, thereby eliminating unnecessary visual noise and safeguarding the environment's crisp, uncluttered look. The cumulative effect of these efforts is a dwelling defined by uninterrupted sightlines and an inherent atmosphere of organization, which directly contributes to the resident's capacity for calmness and focused thought.